In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth in Luminar Neo. Let's get started. First, open Luminar Neo and load your photo. The first step is crucial because it sets up your workspace. When you open the software, you'll see your library on the left side. Here you can browse through your images. Select the photo you want to edit by clicking on it. This will bring your image to the forefront, ready for editing. Now move over to the Edit tab. You can find this at the top of the screen. Clicking on it transitions you from the library to the editing interface. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice a different set of tools and options appear. It's important to familiarize yourself with this workspace, as it's where you'll make all your enhancements. Next, select the Face AI tool. If you see the Portrait AI tool instead, go ahead and pick that. These tools are specially designed for facial adjustments. They harness advanced algorithms to recognize and adjust facial features. This is essential because it allows for precise and realistic edits without affecting other parts of the image. Once you've selected the right tool, find the teeth whitening slider. It's usually located under facial adjustment options. This slider is your main tool for whitening teeth. It's designed to seamlessly enhance the brightness of teeth, giving them a natural look. Remember, this tool targets only the teeth, leaving the rest of the face untouched. With the slider in view, increase it slightly until the teeth look natural. Avoid over-whitening. This is a critical step. Over-whitening can make teeth look unrealistic and can detract from the quality of your photo. Subtlety is key here. A slight adjustment often yields the best results, maintaining the authenticity of the image. After that, you can adjust the amount or intensity if needed. This helps refine the effect. Fine-tuning these settings allows you to achieve the perfect balance. If the initial slider adjustment wasn't quite right, these options can help you perfect the look. It's all about finding what looks best for your specific photo. Now zoom in to check realism. This is to ensure it doesn't look fake. Zooming in lets you scrutinize the details closely. Small imperfections or over-edited sections become more apparent at this level. This step is crucial because it ensures that your edits are seamless and believable. With that ready, take a moment to review your entire image. Look at how the teeth whitening complements the overall photo. A well-done edit enhances the subject without drawing unnecessary attention to the adjustments made. This is important because it defines the quality of your work and the satisfaction of your audience. At this point, if you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and save your work. Saving ensures that all your changes are stored and ready for future use or sharing. You can always revisit the image if further adjustments are needed later. And there you have it. We've successfully whitened teeth using Luminar Neo. This process not only brightens smiles but also elevates the entire photo. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your editing skills.